The zodiac forecasts provided by Plus One News are based on general astrological interpretations. These insights are meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Personal experiences may vary. We do not claim any scientific validity or guarantee outcomes.
Aries. Career, your leadership may be tested. Stay composed under pressure. Finance, avoid quick profits. Research before committing funds. Love, healthy communication will resolve long pending tension. Students, time to review weak chapters. Clarity will improve. Tip, speak less, observe more. Taurus. Career, collaboration brings success. Don't hesitate to share ideas. Finance, moderate day. Avoid unnecessary online spending. Love, trust builds slowly today. Patience is key. Students, focus better during morning hours. Revise old notes. Tip, don't underestimate small efforts. Gemini. Career, multitasking may lead to errors. Prioritize wisely. Finance, unexpected gain through past efforts is likely. Love, flirty energy high, but sincerity matters. Students, focus will drift. Study with a peer for better output. Tip, one task at a time. Cancer. Career, productivity improves post-lunch. Avoid morning distractions. Finance, family advice could help you save. Love, emotions may run high. Stay calm in discussions. Students, revisit last week's concepts to reinforce memory. Tip, let intuition guide decisions. Leo. 1st August 2025 Career, recognition may come your way. Accept humbly. Finance, a new income idea may arise. Note it down. Love, you'll feel deeply connected today. Express gratitude. Students, today is great for solving mock papers. Tip, confidence looks best when grounded. Virgo. Career, structured planning will save the day. Finance, sort out dues or bills you've postponed. Love, minor misunderstandings can be avoided with clarity. Students, organize notes and revise one full subject. Tip, clean workspace, clear mind. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your sign. Which prediction matched your experience today? Tell us in comments. Remember, the stars may guide you, but your choices define you. Keep watching for the forecast of rest of the zodiac signs. Libra. Career, diplomacy will help you manage conflicts today. Finance, avoid overspending on luxury. Review priorities. Love, honest conversation brings emotional ease. Students, best time to complete backlogs or pending tests. Tip, balance brings peace. Scorpio. Career, take charge of difficult tasks. They will favor you. Finance, returns from previous investments may surprise you. Love, protecting emotional boundaries is essential today. Students, ideal day to revise formulas and technical concepts. Tip, strategic silence speaks louder. Sagittarius. Career, new responsibilities may come unexpectedly. Embrace them. Finance, refrain from lending large amounts today. Love, keep it light. Avoid philosophical debates. Students, study in short bursts. Concentration will be sharp. Tip, flexibility invites growth. Capricorn. Career, consistency brings results. No shortcuts today. Finance, a disciplined approach helps grow savings. Love, a grounded, mature discussion can heal old wounds. Students, stick to a written plan. Follow it precisely. Tip, progress lies in persistence. Aquarius. Career, innovative ideas may be appreciated by seniors. Finance, consider long-term investments over impulse buys. Love, Give space, connection will grow stronger. Students, conceptual subjects will feel easier today. Tip: be original, stay grounded. Pisces. Career: your sensitivity may detect hidden tensions, don't absorb them. Finance: stick to budget, surprise expenses may arise. Love: a romantic gesture goes a long way today. Students, arts and creative learning will flow better than logic. Tip: flow, but don't drift. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your sign. Which prediction matched your experience today? Tell us in comments. And that's your Zodiac Insight for today. Brought to you by OnePlus News. Remember, the stars may guide you, but your choices define you. See you tomorrow same time with tomorrow's forecast. Keep watching Plus One News. Plus One Truth Unfolded.
The zodiac forecasts provided by Plus One News are based on general astrological interpretations. These insights are meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Personal experiences may vary. We do not claim any scientific validity or guarantee outcomes. Plus One News.